Via Kamal Kanor online TV channel to con breaking news and becon linga jan guasame kami bana linga rush me be ka SSPDF kan SLMIO rei which ka Western Bargizal state chalado take ran SPLMIO kidej SPLMIO mishana buktin and winemi ka buɔm jana na gorno banyo ka yakel mi jirama didit Kanor online TV channel chiremengech kone dere subscribe ki dere janyo waga nasin ko kien ka dere notification bell dere jatwain ko bler tv kan chamala shuku je gwasa dana pai coverage ban leer me ban jalinkel ka do badan en chaje non ka ja ngai kono no rei wecha ka Western Bargazal trick to want to tene long come spell mayo kan SSPDF shira correct kono to ba Greater Upper State kan ri kono to ka Western Equatoria na me ban jelin ka thoknath kenyam ko kore ban je nyogo mo kon link ka thok English mi jiram je dit ko subscribe ka ku notification bell ko je twain ko bler tv kan chamala shu ko je gwaz dan pa ka breke ja ban leer ban je chuling ko shadol mitikarun dangwal dh kana man dang diok chaka mer ka buɔm rei which ka Western Equatoria ki de kon chora ka Bargazal okay Bargazal chin me jen gwa dan toriya motin okay riga mo to ka Bargazal ka juriva ka do bana shalat ka je shalado ran SPLMIO je Ramadan en merna shalado jen chawre to ko runwang che de ni kirma ya di chekan en ken national security tedere wejin ginemi ka Western Bargazal rei talk wa mi chekan en ka market wa ngwado mo sho bom che kamrar wajen che gwino dong ba jene ke ba je keveno de ni kirma ya di ngwasmo ko mi ngai ke gwano ken tigre kur wa ngwadmo mi do togo cho bom je kamrar ka yura bom gwad metene de ke shanitin che ga dolo to mo kana ne dang kana men dang doctor wa ken tiga ngwadmo men wa tol ken ke shai an ngwadmo wa cho bom mo cho marka kane to tone cho ne to cho moch ka bot wa kum jatin te korean te ko rut kamanda nan china chi go ka bom wa to ko runwa long ne ka tabangwan am chawra je mo chajalat sharado sharoda bar ka kwai ka gwad adan en chawtin ajem nen yana takana menon ka dob dan en shalat ke je kwai ka je la tok mi dong ne mi dong ran SPLMIO ki shiran SPLMIO dundo ko tong mi ka jen Western Bargazal ko riktin kono to ka kam SSPDF kan SPLMIO jen chalado jen ran SPLMIO kan ulistor gwazme kan ladalong duno baje kwenye ka dob dan en shajalat ke je ka tok English ka dob dan chala ka je nitin kon tinten winimi ban je ngai kenya monene ala police nitin gwazmi ka je SSPDF so whatever mekanalar they will do it in favor of SSPDF so ngai kono lat karurian bane but chana je linga dob dan en chala ka je go shi udme chana cheka mer ka je tongmi chala do teramishi tesnien ka dob dan chala je but chana je ling. A 15-year-old boy and 3 women were wounded on Saturday in Jurriva County, Barabik Market in Western Bargazal State, the police said. Major General Abenego Akol Ayong, the state police commissioner, said that over the weekend that the incident occurred when a soldier from the SPLMIO entered the market with the armed grenade and detonated it upon seeing military intelligence personnel. What happened on Saturday at around 9 a.m. is that soldiers from the SPLMIO entered the market, maybe to take tea, but at the same time, there were soldiers from military intelligence there, which are SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force under Kirma Yadid. When he saw the soldiers, he detonated the grenade, which wounded the women who were preparing tea and a boy. He explained it. The intelligence officers were not wounded, but one of the 3 wounded women is in critical condition at Wow Teaching Hospital. We sent our police team there and they took the wounded to the hospital. According to General Akol, the culprit is on the run, but the Criminal Investigation Department is searching for that person. We have dispatched the CID to follow him because after committing the crime, he ran away. We are following him and have opened a case against him because he is well known and from SPLMIO. He stated we are coordinating it with the SPLMIO. However, we do not want to expose his name at this early stage and before he is apprehended, the police chief added. We are also coordinating with the local chief to find him. Jermishaling okene ramanga kemuran SPLMIO. Echa chure echa jebular karam machina bok ngunda kene ya chure ala ramishina bok buɔm. So there tedi chailat. So neme agenda nan shalat ngai kono Western Bergazal tedi tungante keten kam SPLMIO kene kume kirma yadit ala SSPDF. Agenda nan goro no de nywa yekel en me mi jiram jedit kanor online TV channel goro jeno jen bi nywa nasin kokien ani biata kamal bye bye.